Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got a practical topic that's fundamental to using Salesforce effectively, and that is building reports. Reports are essential for, a lot of tracking data, making informed decisions, and keeping your business processes running smoothly. Reports have always seemed to be daunting to everyone, but I'm excited to let you learn how to create them, and of course, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, first things first, before we run our report, all I gotta do is go to the browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now. It can also load to Brave, Safari, and other browsers. And once you open that, go to Salesforce homepage. If you don't have an account yet, please create one. Once you are successful, log in with your credentials and hover down to the interface. Okay. Okay, in here is, do you see the sales part here? And there's like a different button. It's grayed out, but when you hover your mouse, it's changing colors. That's where you would like to go and type in report. Okay. Once you are in the report, now you can actually create a new one by clicking this one, and it will give you a lot of more informations like this is a different kind of report that they are suggesting to you, like accounts and contacts, opportunities, custom support reports, leads, campaigns, activities, contracts and orders, price books, products and assets, administrative reports, file and content reports, codes, other reports, hidden report types. But for the sake of our video, let's just maybe hold on, let me check. Why not we use the let's say opportunities, perhaps. Okay, opportunities, this one. And once you load it, you'll see you've have another options below. But for now, let's just start report. And while loading that, guys, I just wanted to share to you that building reports in Salesforce offers several advantages. Okay, and that will help organizations effectively manage and analyze their data, make informed decisions, and optimize business processes. Okay, so for one, reports provide a clear and organized view of your data, making it easy to understand and analyze, like such as this one, right? And it enhances data visibility across your organization. So reports help users make data-driven decisions by presenting critical information in an easily digestible format, right? Nowadays, Salesforce reports can display real-time data, allowing users to access the latest information for better decision making. You can also create custom reports. We will be doing that in a separate video to your specific needs, selecting the fields, criteria, and certain options that matters to your business, okay? And also, reports allow users to drill down into the details of summarized data, providing a comprehensive view of specific records. Also, Salesforce offers scheduling and automation features, allowing reports to be generated and delivered automatically to relevant stakeholders at scheduled times. How cool is that, right? So now, once we've created that, we might want to check the update preview automatically here. See, right? And then you see the filters. You might want to hover in that as well. And when doing so, you can choose the dates, For the dates, all right, maybe maybe that, let's say all time, okay, and that gives you a plethora of information here that you can see, right? You can also click the outline button here, the owner role, sort of ascending, descending, remove column. Let's remove the column for now, right? So it's a lot of easier for us to navigate. Okay. There's also you can also go to create a date, next step, type, fields, and all of that. Okay. So with that being said, I just also want you to know that by having easy access to relevant data, employees can work more efficiently, reducing the time spent searching for information because reports can be used to track changes to records, ensuring compliance with regulations and auditing activities, right? So you can combine multiple reports into customizable dashboards, proving at a glance view of key metrics and KPIs, and also it allows for sharing and collaboration on reports, fostering teamwork and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. All right. So here, there's a lot of options here that you can remove: opportunity owner, account name, stage, fiscal period, amount, probability, age, close date, credit date, next step, lead source, and type. So it's up to you on how do what to customize the reports, but it is giving you some suggestions here, so it'll make a lot easier to digest. And once building reports in Salesforce is done, it's a crucial part of leveraging the platform's capabilities to take more data accessible and actionable, right? It empowers organization to make smarter decisions, optimize process, and better customer experiences. So once that save and run, you type in the file name, and then that's it. That's how you create a report in Salesforce, right, guys? That easy. And once again, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button late on the button below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.